Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
For a burger-ready coleslaw dressing, start with clear proportions. Use 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon sugar to hit sweet-tang balance. Add 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard to bind and 1/2 tsp celery seed for a classic finish. Season with 1/4 tsp salt and 1/8 tsp black pepper, and if you want a thinner texture, stir in 2 tablespoon buttermilk or milk. Measure and taste. These amounts dress about 4 cups of shredded cabbage. Whisk the 1/2 cup mayonnaise with 2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and 1/2 tsp celery seed until the dressing is completely smooth and glossy. If the dressing is too thick for burger spreading, thin it with 2 tablespoon buttermilk or milk to reach a spreadable texture that clings to shredded cabbage. Taste and adjust. Add up to 1 tsp more vinegar for tang or 1 tsp more sugar. To assemble, toss 4 cups shredded cabbage and 1 cup shredded carrot with the prepared dressing until every strand is evenly coated. This quantity yields about 2 cups dressed slaw, enough for 6 burgers. Let the slaw rest 10 to 20 minutes in the fridge so flavors meld and the cabbage softens slightly. Then drain any excess liquid before piling onto buns. Store leftover dressing in an airtight container refrigerated up to 3 days, shaking before use and discarding if it smells off.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.